In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate running totals using Quick Measure in Power BI. A running total is a cumulative sum that grows as you move through time or another sequence, and it's perfect for tracking metrics like sales, costs, or counts as they add up. The best part is that Power BI can build this for you with just a few clicks using Quick Measure, so you don't have to write DAX from scratch. Start in the data pane and click the table where you want the running total to live. Choosing the correct table keeps your model tidy and makes it easy to find and reuse the measure later. This doesn't change your data. You're simply deciding where Power BI will store the new calculation. Next, right-click that table and select Add New Quick Measure. This opens a helpful dialog that guides you through the setup. In the Calculation Type dropdown, choose Running Total. This tells Power BI to create a measure that accumulates values over time or another defined order. Now, select the fields involved in the running total. Typically, you'll pick a numeric measure or column to accumulate, such as amount or quantity, and a field that defines the order, most commonly a date column. Make sure your date field is recognized as a date type and represents the granularity you expect, daily, monthly, or yearly, so the accumulation happens in the correct sequence. If your data isn't time-based, the running total will still work as long as the field you choose provides a clear order. After you click Add, Power BI generates the new measure and places it under the table you selected in the data pane. Behind the scenes, it writes the DAX for you. From here, you can use the measure just like any other. Drop it into visuals, combine it with slicers, and compare it across categories. It will respect your report's filter context, meaning it accumulates within whatever filters or segments you apply on the page. If the numbers don't look right, check that your date field is properly sorted and continuous, verify the data type, and ensure your model relationships are set up correctly. Remember, running totals accumulate in the order you define, and they reset based on the filters in your visual. That's all there is to it. Quick Measure gives you a reliable running total in moments, ready to analyze trends and tell a clearer story with your data.